It's a perfect situation.
Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. How I meal plan is basically attack my shelves and my freezer and find out what we're going to have over the next few days. So I did that a few days ago and took out what was frozen, now defrosted, root mash with tomatoes on it, and we're going to have that with a jar of meatballs. That's tonight. And while I've got tonight's meal sorted out, I've gone to the freezer for the next few nights. So the first thing I've pulled out, it's going to be a ready meal with cauliflower cheese. That's going to be one meal. I've pulled out some hot dog buns. Yes, I got them cheap than they should be. Not by much. And they went in the freezer, so they're solid and need defrosting. And I've got some sausages out, so we can have hot dog sausages. Every time I am using the oven, normally the oven is full when I'm actually cooking stuff up, but if I was taking the meal out of the freezer, let it defrost and it needed cooking in the oven, I would put in a couple of potatoes in the bottom and then I will freeze them afterwards. That's why I've got smaller ones and these large ones, and I'm going to let them fully defrost and then do stuffed jacket potatoes with bacon. So that's 3 meals out the freezer. I can also add in another meal from my canned goods or my dehydrated goods, or add them to what I've got here. So this is how I meal plan. I only do 3 days at a time. Thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect situation to make